Happy birthday, America. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Be safe.
4th of July is the greatest holiday. Drinking whiskey and beer, family backyard barbecue. Fireworks light up America, sky gods red, white, and blue.
Hello, everybody. This is Alessandra. Happy birthday, America. Wow. What a beautiful day. Hope you are all together with your family and loved ones enjoying the outdoors and all the traditional food that comes with 4th of July. I want to share a little bit about what 4th of July means to me, and it's going to take me back 48 years to 1976 when America was celebrating 200 years. It was our first year in America. It was our first 4th of July. And oh boy, was it special. There was excitement everywhere. Everybody was celebrating. We lived in New York City, 87th and 1st Avenue, truly in the heart of Manhattan. It was beautiful. And you know, what came with the new life here in America came the new foods. And this is what I want to share with you. Today, I am making Katie's pork and bean salad. This is something of course, you know, we were little kids, we were unfamiliar, but now we've grown to love it. Katie was our and Tina's neighbor, all-American apple pie, and we learned so many beautiful things from Katie. And she would make this every year. So it's basically the pork and beans. I use a vegetarian kind, but the molasses and all the other flavors are in there. Green peppers, scallions, and mayo. Mayo, what makes it Italian? A sentimento. As I pour it, I know the color I want and I'd stop. So we'll measure it out together because I want these recipes for my kids. Also, I wanted to share, when we first came, you know, we never had hamburgers. Yes, my nonna will make and my mother will make meatball patties that they'd sometimes bake, and that was what they called hamburgers in Italy. Remember, this was 1976. Feels like yesterday, but it's 48 years ago. And also, so the hot dogs. Whoever had a hot dog in Italy? A lot of beautiful memories. Simple, bring it to your gathering and make it your family a special thing too. Let's see if it works. Voila, it's done. That was easy. Place it in a large bowl. I like the crunch, so I always add extra of the green peppers. Now, let's get the scallions cleaned and all chopped up. Little pieces, but not very thin. You still want a nice crunch. And don't forget, do not discard the ends. That's also part of the scallion. It's delicious. It's already looking wonderful, this freshness of the fresh vegetables. It's really a great recipe. It's a salad that has a lot of crunch with all the fresh veggies. The beans, it's up to you. Like I said, I use vegetarian. The pork and beans are great too. So that's really your choice. Careful not to crush the beans. Mix all the ingredients together now, gently. You don't want to crush the beans. Now, here's the Italian part of the recipe. The mayo a sentimento, it's what I feel. So I love almonds. You can use the mayo of your choice. We're gonna start adding it and just mixing it in. I did 3 heaping soup spoons. Let's get it mixed. The great thing about the salad, make it the day before. It does so well. The day of the party, just wrap it up and bring it. It really does. It needs to also marinate nicely. All the flavors get combined. One more and I think we're good. I just stir, make sure there are no lumps so everything is mixed in nicely. Let's transfer it to a serving bowl. Now let's taste it. So good, truly delicious. Simple, you saw it took less than 5 minutes to put together. Also budget friendly. And you know what? It's the memories that go with this. God bless America. I'm truly so proud to be an American and an Italian American, and to be able to share all these beautiful recipes with you. Please subscribe, hit the bell button, share the recipes, make the recipes. Vi voglio bene, vi ringrazio, arrivederci alla prossima. Ciao ciao.
4th of July is the greatest holiday. Drinking whiskey and beer, family backyard barbecue. Fireworks light up America, sky got red, white, and blue.